Hey traders, hope you're all doing well and having a green week so far. It is Tuesday, September 17th today, and I just wanted to make this real quick video because I haven't posted a lot lately, mainly because I've been working on this Candlesticks Mastery course, and it's a lot of work doing a video course. I mean, it's way more complex than just turning on the camera and making a YouTube video. So there's a lot more preparation and production involved in it, but I'm in the middle of doing that and I'm almost finished. So I think I should be done by hopefully the end of this week, and then I'm going to release it. And today I had a nice trade. I've been trading my normal size, nothing too crazy, not small but not gigantic. I've been averaging between like $800 and $1,000 profit each day for the last week or so. Today I traded just 3 contracts on Meta in about 8 minutes and made $600 on the day. And I'm actually going to be including today's trade in my Candlesticks course. So one of the reasons why I'm making this video right now is because I wanted to just give you guys a little sneak peek of the course and show you just a few minutes of the meta trade that I did today that's going to be included in that course. So let's go ahead and check that out. So basically what I'm looking for at the beginning of each day is I'm looking for directionality of movement. I'm looking for support and resistance levels, and I'm looking for the place where the current daily price action sits in relation to the most important moving averages on the chart. Now, when I'm looking at chart patterns, I don't necessarily do it by the book. Like, I'm not a textbook viewer of chart patterns. I don't sit there and like correspond with my big, book or cheat sheet of patterns and then look to try to figure something out. My method is a little bit more unconventional than that because I believe in sort of trading in a sense by intuition. And I don't mean just trade by feel, meaning like, oh, I feel like it's going to be a green day, I'm going to go long today, or I feel like it's going to be red, so I'm going short. What I mean is I trade by feel based on a lot of different things on the charts all combined. So I'll take a lot of information and I'll combine all of that information, and then based on what I see from the combination of that information, I will make my moves. And really, that comes into play on the minute chart. Once the market opens and the day is underway and we're actually trading, at that point, that's when I am trading by feel, as it were. And this will all make sense as I get into it. I mean, it's a pretty complex thing, and you can't just sort of understand it immediately with a few sentences. We'll have to get through the course, and then as we work through it, you'll see what I'm talking about. But basically, what I do in pre-market, when I'm looking at the previous few days' price action on the daily chart, pre-market, is I will usually establish a bit of a bias or a lean. Meaning I'll look at the daily chart action and I'll say to myself, this makes me think that we are going to do this or that today. So I'll establish a bias. But then, even if I have a bias, that bias doesn't necessarily enter into my trades, because when the market actually opens, and then I'm looking at minute candles and I'm looking at my indicators on the minute candles, then that's the point when I actually do pull the trigger and make the trades. And so that's the moment where I'm trading by feel. So I know that that might have sounded a little bit confusing, but let's go back to the daily chart candles and I'll explain to you what gave me my bias today. And I'm going to break down an actual trade that I took today on Meta. And this was a good trade for me. And I got in and out of this whole trade in about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll break it down for you in a minute. But first, I need a sip of coffee. So yeah, this course is going to be a little bit shorter than my complete options day trading course, simply because it's focused on just the area of interpreting candlesticks and the patterns that the candlesticks make. So of course it's going to be a little bit shorter, but I think it's got a lot of information on it, and it definitely goes even further in depth into just the candlesticks and patterns than my complete options day trading course went. So even if you already have the first course, I think that this one is going to have some additional information in it that the first one didn't even have. So you really can't lose, even if you already have my first course. But hopefully I'll be done with this course pretty quickly, and then I'll get back to posting more frequently on this channel, just like I'd been doing for the last couple of months. But that's it for right now. Hope you're all doing well, and continue to have green trades, and I'll be back soon with some more content. Until then, take care everybody. See you later.